So for our lab exercise, remember that the lab exercises are going to be done in our Replit team. So if you were using a demonstration Replit, you're going to want to switch back to the team. And go into lab 1 here. This exercise, you are going to use the debugger to fix a problem with an implementation of a linked list. If you're a little rusty on linked lists, we have some notes on them here. A linked list is simply a data structure that will string along a collection of nodes. Each node will typically include a data item and a pointer to the next node in the list. We are going to be using a single linked list, so that means that the nodes have to be traversed in order and there's no way to go back. We have some typical operations of the linked list here if you want to read through them. For this exercise, you won't need a .replit since it runs off of main. So we'll click run here and have a look at how this works. So we're going to add some values for this list. 999 will be the sentinel value to stop the list so that you can actually start doing things with it. Entering P will print this list, so we can see our contents are 1, 4, and 9. If we wanted to append an item to the end, we could go A, enter the number, and it would add it there. If we want to delete an item from the list, we go D, enter 9, print, and you can see the 9 was removed. Now the problem with this linked list implementation is that when you try and delete a node that is not there, you'll get a core dump, meaning that you ran into a semantic error because it's trying to access information that doesn't exist and there's not a failsafe. So that means your problem with this program is going to be in the delete item here. And you're going to want to use the debugger by setting breakpoints to see how you can fix that problem. If you need to, we have an example pseudocode of how the delete node is supposed to work here that you can compare it to. When you have this exercise done, remember that you're going to want to submit it on Replit, and you're also going to want to save a zipped copy and submit that on your courses. We expect you to submit it in both places.